Now, your Doppler 10 weather forecast.
Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It turned out to be another scorcher of a day across the coastal bend where temperatures actually hit 100 degrees in a couple of locations, but heat index values is well into the triple digits area wide. Let's take a look at your current conditions right downtown, looking across shoreline towards the Corpus Christi Bay area where you've got that beautiful azure blue sky and 93 degrees, south-southeast wind at 16 miles an hour. Not much in the way of cloud cover out there. And you can see that most of the shower activity that we were forecasting was just northeast of Corpus Christi and on into the Victoria Crossroads and up into Houston. So, what's going on? Well, you've still got that upper level ridge over the northwestern part of the state, and it kind of angles back across our region, and that's repressing shower activity and also enhancing temperatures just a little bit. See a few more 100-degree temperatures there on the map than you saw yesterday or the day before. Most folks are in the middle to upper 90s across the Lone Star State. Port A sitting at 89 degrees. Cotulla up there at 99, and George West not far behind at 98. Dew points way up there in the upper 70s to even lower 80s in portions of the area, and that's making for heat index values way up there between 104 and 116 degrees right now. It is uncomfortable outside. Now you might see a couple of evening showers up to the north and northwest, but after that it's pretty much over for the week. And the reason, well, you're still got that high sitting out there, that big blue thing, and it's not allowing much in the way of precipitation for the next several days. There's enough of ridging there that's pushing down on the atmosphere and keeping us away from that until the first part of next week. And notice that pattern shifts to the west, and you have that northerly flow in the upper atmosphere. Yeah, it's going to bring a cold front down here. Don't get excited. It's not going to make much difference in temperatures, but it will give us a chance for rain next week. Tonight, not going to happen. Mostly clear skies, breezy, humid. A southeast wind at 10 to 20 miles an hour, 79 overnight, and then mostly sunny and hot tomorrow. One of the hotter days of the year is actually breezy with a heat index around 108 degrees, and that's down on the waterfront. It's going to be hotter in the interior. In fact, we're looking at temperatures well into the 90s air temperature wise. Indeed, we're looking for a high tomorrow of around 97 degrees. That's here in Corpus Christi, and we're going to stay in the middle 90s throughout much of the weekend. Only by next week do we start to see an opportunity for shower activity in any meaningful way. Sunday, isolated showers. Monday, isolated showers. And that front comes in about midday Tuesday to give us scattered showers and thunderstorms, knocking our temperatures down just a little bit. And remember, it's a summertime front, so you're not going to see a whole lot of that. But what we are going to be keeping an eye on is the tropics. I didn't show you that graphic, but I'll show you later on. But Tropical Depression 11 has now been named as well out in the Atlantic, heading towards the Caribbean. We're going to keep a close eye on that one and give you the latest information on that just coming up a little later in our broadcast. Andy?